Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up OpenVPN server on VPS with Ubuntu, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your VPS using SSH. Use your terminal or command prompt. Type SSH your username at your VPS IP and press enter. Replace your username with your actual username and your VPS IP. When prompted, enter your password. Once logged in, update your package list. Run the command sudo apt update to refresh the package information. Next, install OpenVPN and EasyRSA by typing sudo apt install OpenVPN EasyRSA. Press enter and wait for the installation to complete. Create a directory for the EasyRSA files. Type make_EasyRSA and press enter. Navigate to the EasyRSA folder with cd/EasyRSA. Now, copy the example configuration file. Use the command cp vars example vars. Open the vars file in a text editor. You can use nano vars to easily edit the file. Scroll down and modify the default values as needed. These values include your country, province, city, organization, and email. Save the changes and exit the editor. Next, initialize the public key infrastructure. Run the command sourcevars and in/clean all. Then, type /buildca to create the certificate authority. Fill in the requested information or press enter to accept defaults. Now you will create the server certificate. Type /buildkey server. Again, fill in the details or accept the defaults. When prompted, answer Y to sign the certificate and to commit. Next, generate the Diffie-Hellman parameters. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.